Kakala wa ar yong yaklam wa pynbait yakin rutli kitau kaput yong kejala Meghalaya wa Assam da Sdang ko ni kesengi ha go hati keni ke yaklam pynbait put man ko ha perdi ki arngut ki Montri Rangbah konrat ke sang ma wa himanta biswa sarma hi wa da emlang le ki wi ki Montri Sorkar yong woro ar jala wa ki chief secretary kin rutli kitau wadang sa yo pynbait ha perdi kini ki ar jala kan thup ya ka langpi Bordwar Nongwa Mau Temur, Desh de Moria, Khanduli, Siar, Blok 1 wa Blok 2. Hawa kalam hadin ke yalang Montri Rangbah ke jala konrat kongkal sangma, da ongo wa kenito Sdang wo ya pynbait saya kini kin rutli kitau wa khajia ha kapun. Da ongo wa ke yalang dapa ya ki regional committee wo lai penlum pelang ki ya YouTube webnya, we wo up le ye kwa ki pajba, we wo pa ya ke bui report cha ke sorkar ke wadaw ya cembiang ha unai nyau uni usnem. Da ongo wa nei liang ki arngut ki Montri Rangbah daw lai ki le cikitu kitau ya khajia kam tam ha kaput yong ke West Karbi Anglong Assam wa West Giant Hills Meghalaya. We da penrap wa wadaw emkam wa penne ye suk isain ha kaput kat wadang lai ya kelam wa pynbait no ya upot uang. Ukonrat da ong cu wakin rutli kitau ha kapun wada yaklam ha kakala wa ardaw man ki wachitom bo pynbait tang wada pensngau ye em kermen nei bha wa em imon kamte keluti daw wai ko yo pendu ye a kapun nei liang Montri Rangbah ka Assam Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma wanda ongu wa ha kayalang darai wo ye cembiang ha unai nyau hadin wada yo ye keripon na ki regional committee da ongu wa kalangpi Khanduli Blok 1 wa Blok 2 da man sekhet ki benta kaput wa bha wa pynbait tang wa da pensngau wa daw yehi u pynbait hawa keli nei liang Himanta da ongu wa kayalang embu por ko hadu menu pendep ye keni kakam nei dawom ye ule jan kam wo pen kenmo wa yakin rutli kitau ha po kathup benengkong wa ya khajia pot ha perdi ke Assam wa Meghalaya da dep wo soy ya ka soskular na mo ka memorandum of understanding MOU ha wisu yong usnem ar hajar ar phawar kini kitau kenthup ki ya ka hahim gizang tarabari bukolpara khanapara pilingkata wa rata chera
6 area of dispute and from today the regional committees of both the state will start meeting, start visiting the other 6 sites or other 6 areas where difference still exists. In the month of June, basically in the last part of June, Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself will visit Karbi Alang and Jaintia Hills area where presently some unrest is going on as a confidence building measure so that the people in both sides feel confident and they will be assured that both the state will resolve the differences, resolve the dispute with a spirit of the long existed friendship between the people of Meghalaya and Assam. I think today is the another beginning because after Sri Conrad Sangma re-elected to the post of Chief Minister Meghalaya, for the first time we are interacting at the official level, and I believe that through a process of discussion, mutual trust and confidence, we will be able to resolve the other 6 area of disputes much earlier than what we are expecting.
Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and his colleagues for having hosted this very, very important and crucial meeting. We have attended this meeting along with the different chairmen of the different regional committees, and as has been mentioned already by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, that this is the beginning of the process to find a solution to the 6 areas of differences which are left between Assam and the state of Meghalaya. As mentioned in the meeting today, we went through all the details and all the different reports and different discussions took place. And we have asked now the regional committees to now start the process of fact-finding, going into the details, discussions with stakeholders, and the same process which was followed in the previous phase. The regional committees will go through that. We'll have multiple meetings, and as I said, we'll consult with multiple stakeholders, and we hope that we'll be able to get reports very soon. In some areas it may be faster, some areas may take a bit more time. During that process and procedure, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be visiting the different areas, especially in the areas bordering Karbi Along and West Jayante Hills, where we know that some tension has come in. And this visit is mostly to appeal to the people that we should maintain peace, to give them the confidence that we are serious about this entire procedure and process, and we would like to come to a solution at the earliest. But during that process, we need to also maintain peace. So these steps will be taken. We expect that in the month of July, we will be meeting again to review the reports or the progress of work of the different committees. And I'm very confident that with the leadership that we have in Assam, under the leadership of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarmaji, and also with the full support of Government of India, we are sure that we'll be able to move forward in this phase also. Things are complicated, but we believe that where there is a will, there is a way, and we will find a way forward. The trust and the friendship that we have had will continue to guide us to ensure that we are able to resolve these areas of differences which are very critical to be resolved for the future. At the same time, we have also asked the different departments, the Survey of India, to continue with the survey work that is going on in the first 6 areas of differences. And we have asked them to discuss with different officials and the public at the grassroots level to ensure that we take everybody into confidence and we are able to finish the survey work also for the first 6 areas of differences at the earliest. So with these few words, I once again, on behalf of the government of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya, would like to thank Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and his government for having hosted this meeting.
As Honorable CM Meghalaya has said, that this 6 area is little bit complicated in nature. So putting a time frame is probably not a very fair idea. But what we have agreed today, that we will again meet in the month of July to review the progress of the work done by our regional committees. So there will be some area where we can arrive at settlement earlier, some area it will take time. So in this meeting today, we have consciously decided not to put any time frame before us, but we have decided to meet again in the month of July.
How complicated are the remaining 6 distribution sites in comparison to the previous 6 months?
Out of these 6 area, we have Lampi and we have also Khanduli Block 1, Block 2, and there people of both sides are emotive. It is not that the temperature is different in both the states. Both the states are emotive about this issue, and in Assam side, the question of autonomous district council also there, where Assam government do not directly have a control over the land. So these areas will be little bit difficult, but as CM Meghalaya said, when there is a will, there will be a way. So we have decided to progress, we have decided to go ahead with the spirit of friendship, and we believe that solution will come out, but we don't want to put a time frame.
So in what way you are going to convince the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council? Because as you said, land belongs to them. And how will the Assam government place its role to ensure that these areas are resolved?
First of all, Karbi Anglong is also part of Assam. There are administrative mechanisms where lands have been given to Karbi Anglong Council by the Constitution of India. But having said that, the representative from Karbi Anglong Council is also member of the regional committee. And you must understand that we are not two different entities. Whatever Assam government will decide, will take into Karbi Anglong into the confidence, and whatever Karbi Anglong will decide, they will take Assam government into confidence. So their issue is complicated, but when we want to resolve it, it can be resolved.